Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install YouTube onto your Windows 11 system. But before we get going, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions as we go through this video, leave them in the comment box down below. So YouTube isn't available on the Microsoft Store. So how are we going to install YouTube as an app? Well, to do this, you're going to need a browser like Chrome. This also works with Microsoft Edge, Brave, and other browsers as well. For today's tutorial, we're going to be using Chrome, but the standard process for the other browsers should be relatively the same. Using our browser, we can install what's called a progressive web app. This will give us the experience of running YouTube as an app. You can pin it to the start page or have a shortcut in your folders. To do this, open YouTube on whatever browser you're using. Like I said, I'm going to be using Chrome for this tutorial. Now you're going to go up to the right-hand corner of the browser to these three little dots where it says Customize and Control Google Chrome. Next, you're going to navigate all the way down to Cast, Save, and Share. Some browsers may have this under the More Tools section, so you may want to check there if you don't see it under Cast, Save, and Share. Next, you're going to navigate down to the button that says Install YouTube. Click Install, and here you are. You have YouTube as a standalone web app. It shows up in your bottom bar. You're able to pin it to your taskbar. If you close it here, you can open it right back up, and now YouTube will interact as if it is a standalone app on your computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a comment or question down below, and like and subscribe to the channel. Helps us out a lot, and then you won't miss any more tutorials in the future. I'll see you next time.